Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with cleaning between those extra tight spaces in your teeth or around dental work like braces, you're not alone. We all know how easy it is to miss those hard-to-reach areas, and that's where today's product comes in. We're talking about DenTek Slim Brush Advanced Clean Interdental Cleaners, extra tight, designed to give you that deep, refreshing clean, even in the toughest spots. Before we dive in, if you're finding this review helpful, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss out on future beauty and wellness reviews. Now let's talk about what makes these DenTek Slim Brushes stand out. First off, they're designed for those with extra tight interdental spaces. So if your teeth are packed close together, these brushes could be a game changer. Each brush is tapered and equipped with soft bristles that help remove food and plaque from those tricky areas you might miss with regular flossing. It's a simple addition to your dental routine, but with impressive results. The flexible wire on these brushes is another major plus. It allows the bristles to bend, making it easier to reach around dental appliances like braces or even bridges. The brush's flexibility ensures that you can clean all the way around without straining or damaging your teeth or gums. It's as if this brush is designed to conform to your needs, literally. One feature I particularly appreciate is the non-slip flexible handle. It gives you excellent control, even if your hands are a little wet or slippery. You'll find it comfortable to grip, ensuring you can get a thorough clean with minimal effort. Plus, these brushes come with a fresh mouthwash blast mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling extra clean and refreshed after each use. In terms of convenience, they're disposable after each use. While this may not be the most eco-friendly feature, it's certainly a more hygienic option for those looking for a quick, on-the-go cleaning solution. Now, let's get into the performance. After incorporating these brushes into my routine, I found them surprisingly effective at cleaning those tight spaces. Whether I was cleaning after meals or just refreshing my mouth in the evening, they did the job with ease. The minty freshness lingered for quite a while too, giving me a clean, fresh feeling without feeling harsh or chemically. Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the DenTek Slim Brush provides excellent access to tight areas, particularly around dental appliances. It's comfortable to use and leaves your mouth feeling fresh. The compact size makes it perfect for travel or keeping in your purse. On the downside, since they're disposable, it's not the most eco-conscious choice, especially if you're using them every day. Also, if you don't have particularly tight spaces or dental work, you might not find them as necessary. Is this product worth its price? At around $7 for 32 brushes, the DenTek Slim Brush offers solid value for those who need a specialized tool for tight spaces or braces. If you're someone who regularly needs this type of cleaner, this could be a great investment for your oral health. In terms of alternatives, you might find other interdental brushes or floss picks at lower price points, but they may not offer the same level of precision or flexibility. Some alternatives might not work as well for individuals with braces or those requiring an extra tight fit, so that's something to consider when looking for a budget-friendly option. I'm happy to report that the DenTek Slim Brush stands out in terms of build quality. The materials feel durable, and the handle offers great control. You can tell the product is designed for precision and comfort, which is especially important when it comes to dental tools. The brushes are effective over time, and each one holds up well for the task at hand. Overall, the DenTek Slim Brush Advanced Clean Interdental Cleaners offer excellent performance for those who need an extra tight fit or who have dental work. If you're someone who struggles with cleaning between tight spaces or around braces, these brushes can help you keep your teeth cleaner longer. While they may not be the most eco-friendly option, their convenience and effectiveness are undeniable. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in picking up the DenTek Slim Brush, you'll find the link in the comments below. If you've used them already, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.